Hi, my name is Nicole Roberts, and this is week 8's video lab dissection of the fetal pig. We are going to be discussing the reproductive system. And so basically the first thing to do is to identify the sex of the pig. So I'm actually going to go to the bottom of the fetal pig, and the tail is actually inferior to the genital papilla, and that is a direct indicator that I have a female. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to list some anatomical features of the female reproductive system. A couple of things, a big difference between the fetal pig and the human is where implantation actually occurs in the reproductive system of the fetal pig and the human. So in the fetal pig, the implantation actually occurs in the horns of the uterus, which are located right here. Okay, because pigs actually give birth to about 8 to 10 babies. And so if that were to happen, if implantation was to occur in the fallopian tubes of a human, that would be considered an ectopic pregnancy. And unfortunately, the fetus could rupture the fallopian tube in the human. And so oftentimes with ectopic pregnancies, the fallopian tube has to be removed entirely. Okay, so in the fetal pig, implantation occurs in the horns of the uterus, and in the female, it's the fallopian tubes. So right here is the bladder. Okay, this is the colon right here, and then if we just go a little deeper, we can see right here are the ovaries. There's the ovaries right there. And the broad ligament anchors the uterine horn to the body wall. And this is the broad ligament right here to keep the uterus from moving around a lot and causing potential damage to the reproductive system. Okay, and right here is the ureter. Okay, and right here, this is the umbilical cord, and then also the urogenital opening is actually at the end. Right here is the urogenital opening. Right there. Okay, alrighty, and this actually concludes week 8 video lab dissection of the reproductive system. Thank you so much for watching.